Welcome to my channel. My name is Norma with momisdesigns. In this channel, you're going to be learning how to make different DIYs that you can not only use them for your family and your friends, but you can also sell them. Let's not wait any longer and let's get to work. We are doing a review on this paper. It was sent to me by Koala. And this is their new 8.5 by 11 pearl glassy photo paper. The reason for this paper is that it's perfect to print photos, but it's also super perfect if you have to do any projects like crafts or any kind of project at all. The first thing I gotta say about this paper is that the package has 40 sheets. The regular price on Amazon, and I'm gonna be putting links in the description box of where to get it. The price is $9.99. Currently, they have a little, like a 5% discount. You just click on a little box. In addition to that, Koala has given me a code for an extra little discount. So here's the discount right here. And so the first thing, it's 40 sheets, $9.99. If we go by the $9.99 price, each sheet is gonna cost you 25 cents. And you can put as many pictures as you want on a 8.5. After the discount, the price is gonna come down to $8.61. So the price of each sheet is going to be 21 cents, which I think is really good. Now the paper, it's like a soft, very light cardstock. You can print in either side. The white side has like a very slight, like between a matte and a glossy. So I know you will have no problem in printing on this side if you want to. Now the side that it's for the printing as well is this glossy, like a pearl, very beautiful color, and I think it's gonna enhance any project that you may have with images or pictures. So here's the how it looks. See if I move it around, it has a very nice shine. In order to use this paper to print it, I encourage you to use an inkjet printer. Like I'm gonna be using this paper to make some picture frames on a tile, and that's the next video I'm gonna be doing. But if you put resin on top of an image printed with the EcoTank ink, that's gonna make the image run. So let's just read a little bit about what it says on this, on the back of it. It just has some tips, and it says that make sure you keep it nice and sealed. Go ahead and follow their suggestions in the way of printing. And then if you're not happy with the product before you return it, send them a message and they will try to work with you. They also have other papers. They have different kinds of papers, and I have quite a few videos from this company that I'm gonna put also in the description box. I'm gonna put some links so that you can, if you wanna see other reviews on different products, you can do that. The last thing that I gotta show you, let me just set this aside. I printed one and I am in love with it. And I'm gonna show you why. Look at that. So these are the images that I'm gonna use on my next project. Make sure that you subscribe if you haven't, and click the notification bell so you get a message when I do my next video. So I'm gonna be doing another video using these images. But let me just bring them closer. Look at the quality and the colors. I mean, it's amazing. I really like it. Let me turn this one this way. Two of them right there. Look at how nice. I mean, it made the colors get much brighter. So there you go. Okay, so that's the test that I did with it. I hope you guys like it. Make sure that you click on the link to go buy it and use the little coupon that they very gratefully gave us. But for now, you guys, thank you so much for watching. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.